we're in Scarborough, outside of Toronto, just south of my daughter's place. And I showed up at another Pontiac enthusiast place to look for some gold dash parts. So anyway, the old TA is still here. As you know, it's leaking a little bit of power steering fluid. So we're gonna park out on the street. And we're gonna meet the folks in here. So I'm Jason, by the way.
I'm Michael.
Hey Mike, how you doing?
Hey guys, this is my vehicle. Okay?
Oh, you're a Mustang guy.
Okay.
So I just got done traveling with a bunch of Mustang guys, or one Mustang guy from British Columbia, or from Alberta, Banff, Alberta,
Okay.
and he run one of these with a Windsor, a 351 Windsor, and a Tremec 5, and he did really well on our trip.
Good.
So, but
There were a lot of gas stations along the way.
oh yeah. So here's the real McCoy. This is what they're supposed to look like when they're really pretty, but I know this is probably 77 or 78. But
78.
78? Okay. It's got the same wheels I'm running.
The real McCoy's in the back.
Yes, sir. This is Pontiac Central. I really hate this. I really hate this. I'm a Pontiac guy back east, so, you know.
Okay.
So these people weren't ready for me to come and videotape, so I'm just looking at all the wall hangers, and so this is a father-son combo here, from what I understand.
And
Sure.
wife.
And the wife too, yeah. We got to make sure we include the wife.
Oh, we have to, yeah. We just had a bunch of stuff on top of the cars
Hey.
here, yeah.
Anyway, I'm Jason, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Johnny.
Hey, Johnny.
John Antonitis.
Yes, John.
That's Mike.
And Mike, yeah.
This, we would start off, this is the wife's car, real deal Y81.
Oh, really?
Hardtop 77 special edition.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Isn't that nice? It's just the way they're supposed to be. You know?
We changed them to the 78 and up wheels, WS6,
I like
because
those.
I like them.
They got the extra width on them.
Yeah.
That's what's on mine for now. I got a set of honeycombs,
Yeah.
but I put those on for the trip.
Well, this one here is the W72, automatic. So it's one of 549.
Yes, sir.
Rare, but doesn't mean it's more desirable than the Y82 because everybody wants that one with the T-tops.
I'm a non-T-top guy.
Yeah, well,
That's what
she's
I
a
love.
non-T-top girl because
Yeah.
she doesn't want her hair blowing around. But this is
So,
Junior's.
so here's what he said, Tara. Rare. And you know what rare means? Tara's my wife. Rare usually means I got to buy it, but I'm not today.
But yeah, this is Junior's. This is my first car that I had.
Yes,
back in
sir.
the day. He's got an HO, top end heads.
Well, what number heads?
197s.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
191s, but
Yeah, I
with a
know
round
them.
port
Yeah.
with the manifolds. We got a 700R transmission Chevy with the adapter plate to get it all. He's going. We got a full roller cam, roller rockers, billet distributor. We're just doing all the electronics with MSD right now.
Nice.
Right. That one here, we do everything in shop, paint, our own engines. We just send them out the machine, and that's it.
That's great, John.
That's me right there. In 2017, I was on Legendary Motors.
Okay.
Won the $5,000. It was a nationwide contest for
Oh, is that right?
the muscle car matchup.
Oh, good for
And that's
you.
that right here. That's the car that won it. This one's my.
I think I remember that, actually. Yeah.
Thanks, Johnny boy. No worries. Yeah, so
What's
this is the car here. I picked it up with 36,000 original miles in a barn. Actually, where you were coming from, Sutton, this was
Yeah.
up in Mount Albert.
Oh, yeah. I know where Mount
The guy
Albert is,
passed
yeah.
away in '82, 5 years after he had the car. And that's when I came over and I restored it to its former glory. And
Nice.
in turn, like I said, it was in the competition. And it's all original
Oh.
the way you look at it.
Look at that.
Loaded.
Look at that.
Yep, and the rear console as well.
Oh, yeah.
There it is, yeah. So this is, yeah,
That's nice.
beautiful. And I do a lot of parts hunting. Like these things are real rare. This is a
Yeah, the
Hooker
roll
show
bar. Yeah.
Especially in chrome, this thing's impeccable condition.
Yeah.
HO intakes.
Oh yeah, yes sir.
I got sold several, but that shaker up there
Yep.
is 1970, 1 year
I know
only.
what it
Thin-lip,
is.
AMP amp on it.
Yeah.
I got an IC steering wheel, rear consoles. These shifters I restored.
Yeah. Oh, you do nice work too.
People,
Yeah.
Like a lot of them look at the Hearst dual gate,
You're right.
but we're all forgetting the quarter stick console mount as well.
Right.
This thing's a beautiful unit.
Right.
This one here too, just like
Yeah.
right.
See, I haven't seen those adapters.
Yeah.
Like to make them right, to do them right.
Right. So those, I got several of those that I restore. I do a lot of restorations. Just picked up those. They're the factory white 78 gold tinted.
Oh yes.
Yeah. And there's some of the awards and.
Oh, Gigi.
Yeah.
So this all started by me just answering a marketplace call, and I'm in Pontiac, Kevin. And my cousin was here. See, I'm a GTO guy, and I bought some Trans Ams lately. My cousin's a Trans Am nut, and
I was a GTO guy too.
Oh yeah.
I had a 69
Yes.
455 engine HO.
Yeah.
4-bolt block with 614 heads, Grand Force, high octane, high compression, and early 90s I was running 1040s on the street.
Gee.
Yep.
That's working good.
And back then there was no Edelbrock heads.
Yeah.
I was running a Warrior intake.
Yep. I know.
The guys out in Westland, Michigan.
Yeah. I got a Warrior intake on my 72
HO
GTO.
racing,
Yeah.
So we had to do what we had to do. Big Dominator on it.
Yeah.
All on the
That's
hood.
what I run.
Yeah.
So on my 72 GTO, I run a 455 HO. Armstrong built the motor out of Halifax. It running a Warrior intake, 850 Dominator, salt lift cam, super comp headers with a Richmond 5-speed behind it.
Nice.
Runs like probably upper 11s and a quarter.
Yeah, very
With an automatic, before the motor in another car, 71 car, that was the fellow I knew, he used to run like 1140s, 1170s, so, but yeah, I know all about her. That's awesome.
No, I took
what
it
the-
serious back then in the 90s.
Yeah.
I started in the 80s actually. 82 I bought my first car, this one.
Right.
And then racing it on the streets, the cops were really getting to know the car, so that's when I switched over to a GTO, because no emissions and all that.
Yeah.
So that's why I ran the GTOs for years, and I just went,
Yeah.
go big or go home, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
That's it.
Well, like I said, I probably couldn't be more tickled to run into this. Like I said, I expected that I was just coming to get some parts, and now I'm looking at parts that I should make room for. Maybe we'll have to do some dickering and walking and talking and see what we can do here. So.
Sure, everything's for sale.
Oh, don't say that.
Everything's for sale. Except Junior stuff. You can't sell his.
Oh no, well maybe we could strong arm them. I don't know. Here's what I come here for actually, but yeah, you got no more Pontiac snaked out around back somewhere.
Not really. That's the wave section back there.
Yeah.
This is.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So
Well,
yeah.
I gotta just look at this. So can you explain this roll bar again? Because very few people know about them, and I've seen them, and I've seen them in Camaros and stuff like that before.
Yeah.
But very few people know anything about them.
Hooker made it. The company that made the headers. and all
Right.
that. So they made it and they call it the Hooker Show Bar.
Right.
We're talking, late 70s, early 80s.
Yep.
And that's when they made them. They made them in black and the chrome. The
Yes.
chromes are very highly desirable.
Yes.
Very rare to find, and especially in this condition, you can see it. It's like
Oh, it's
beautiful.
unreal. It's a great shape.
And it has these little pieces that go on it.
Right, your down bars. Like a true 4-point.
Yeah.
Oh, at the
yeah.
back, yeah.
So yeah, 1-2 points.
Yeah.
Pretty much. And they just bolt on to the wheel well here, and you got to cut the holes in the rear
Right.
panels and stuff. But
Right.
other than that, they're very rare, and that's what I like to pick up,
Oh.
things like that are very rare.
Did you hear that? Very rare.
So,
No, that's, well, John, I won't pester you anymore with this here video, and we could probably talk for 10 hours on it, but listen, thank you very much for bringing me in and showing me your
my
stuff.
pleasure. My pleasure.
And stay tuned, folks. So we're going to start another video here. John was just doing some educating of me of these bezels, and I want to learn, and I have a memory like a sieve, so I want to make sure I really learn. So he's kind enough to let me videotape what he's about to teach me here.
So when you are looking for a bezel and you want to be correct,
Yes.
several different variations. We'll start with the 70 to 72. I used to have them, so that I can't show you
Yep.
anything, but I've sold them all. They have a split wiper.
Oh,
right?
okay.
70, 71, and 2. Split wiper, no RTS
Right.
badge.
I didn't know
rare,
about the
high
strip.
desire.
I didn't
Yes.
know about that, but I knew about this. No
Right,
badge.
and then the bird placement
Yes.
on them on the non AC. On say a 70 would be on this side to be an early production of them. So we're getting really in too deep with that.
Right.
So 73 and 74 are pretty much the same. They opened it up. This is the same,
Right.
and no RTS.
Okay.
On the 74, they put it on the glove box.
Okay.
75, 76, 77 are pretty much the same. And you see the distance here and there?
Yes.
That's non-pulse wiper.
Pulse wiper.
They didn't have pulse till 78.
Okay.
So this is correct for 75, 6, 7.
So my what?
And then 78 and 9 and up,
Pulse wiper. You end
pulse
up with the extra
wiper.
width.
They're a little extra bigger. And then the 80, 81 went with cymbals
You're right.
and round
And the
turn
round
signals.
turn signals.
And that's your...
Basically, your rundown.
Pretty much everything else will fit physically, 70 to 81. But there's the differences.
So basically, I'm boiled down to just one.
Pretty much. You lucked out. This one's yours.
Hey, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah.
So,
Yep.
well, there. Well, that. Thank you very much, John, for that, because I didn't know, and I tell you, there's lots of people that didn't narrow it down as simple as you just did.
Well, I wouldn't sell anything if it didn't suit or fit your need.
Right.
Just to make a sale.
Yeah.
I'll educate you.
Yeah.
And then you could buy it if you want or not, or pick your choice. Right?
And you guys know me. I like being educated. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
John's about to educate us again on just the little fine details that we're always looking for.
When I do my restorations, I created my own little decals. And this one's a decal, that's a non-decal. Some in Ames, Firebird Central, a lot of places. I've been doing
Right.
it for years. And the differences on these is you see one's push, one's wash. They will
Yep.
all work, they're the same.
Right.
But these are for early cars, 70,
The
72.
wash is on for the early
Right.
cars.
and push. A lot of other little differences too, like the power door locks.
Right.
And the rear defogs are a wider slot
Okay.
on an early car. And then they went to a thinner slot, right? The door
Okay.
locks.
Yeah, I see
As
it.
well, I had a few. Here's the rear defog, thinner slot, wide slot. right?
Okay.
So you have to know what you're buying, and hopefully you meet somebody and they just don't want to just sell it to you.
Yeah.
They're going to educate you as well.
Well, like I said, educating is awesome, and that's like I said.
Yeah.
This room is full of education because
His head's full of it.
yeah, but what it is, if we were talking GTOs,
I could educate you on that too.
well, that's too. That's probably too. Or you're gonna definitely tell me things I probably don't know because none of us know it all, which is fantastic, and it's great getting I love getting educated anyway, and I'm really
do too.
tickled that you didn't mind me videotaping it because it's, you know what, Look at the gray hair. Look at the gray hair here. And my sons want to know this stuff. And your son probably grew up with a lot of this stuff and knows.
All of it, yeah.
You know, but there's most guys aren't. Most guys, that knowledge isn't getting retained.
Well, my son Johnny Boy, even my daughter, his twin, and my other daughter, I got 3 kids.
Yeah.
They're right into it, and the wife.
Awesome.
And matter of fact, actually, I do a lot of like the cars for movies and commercials. They picked the wife's car. Actually, they wanted a hardtop car. October 1st, we're doing a shoot.
Yeah.
So constantly doing it, getting involved with the community. I always do the Yorkville Exotic Car Show for cancer.
Yeah.
Right, and we do it every year. I think I got some of the stuff there, and it's really rewarding and it's fun. And the car people are great.
All I can say, I'm tickled. I'm grinning ear to ear. I just want to say thanks again. Listen, my head's going to be bigger than the 5X it is already. I won't be able to get outside the door here because the wealth of knowledge. But no, I'm tickled over him sharing it. So thanks again, and talk soon, folks.
Okay.